So hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this particular video, we're gonna learn about how to disable driver signature enforcement. So let's start the video. First of all, click on the window icon and go to setting. You can directly jump to the setting and then into the setting, click on the system. After that, you will found recovery option. Then under recovery option, you found advanced startup. Just click on the restart now. After that, a new pop-up come to you, so you have to click again on restart now. Your system is booting in recovery mode, so wait for a second. As you can see, there are many options. So firstly, click on the troubleshoot. After that, click on the advanced option, then go to startup settings. As you can see, there is a restart option. Click on that. So as you can see, a startup setting is open now. So click on the F7 button of your keyboard to disable driver signature enforcement. Just wait for some time. Your system will be reboot soon. After entering your login ID password, as you can see, we have executed our task. Thank you for watching this video.